Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Warsun LED Keychain Light. Hopefully this video will give you all the information you need about this product. Inside the box you'll find the Keychain Light, a USB-C cable, a user manual and a keychain ring. Now let's explore it. The Warsun LED Keychain Light is small, compact and lightweight, making it easy to attach to your keychain. It's durable, made from aluminium alloy and ABS material. It's also IBX5 waterproof, meaning it can withstand bad weather conditions. The built-in 800 mAh rechargeable battery provides 2 to 8 hours of continuous light depending on the brightness level. It features a high-powered 300 lumen LED flashlight with a Fro-eye lens, ensuring a focused beam. On the top you have the flashlight, and on the bottom there is the magnetic attachment. On the front you have the side light, and above it there are two buttons. The button on the left controls the flashlight, while the one on the right controls the side light. On the other side you'll find the USB-C port for charging the flashlight, and there is also a clip for easily hanging it. Now let's test it. I will start with the flashlight. Press and hold the left button for 2 seconds to turn on the flashlight. This is the single light mode. Press the left button again to switch to lower brightness. Press it again to activate dual light mode. Press it again to switch to lower brightness. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it off. Now I will test the side light controls. Press and hold the right button for 2 seconds to turn on the side light. This is the high brightness mode. Press it again to switch to lower brightness. Press it again to turn on the red light. Press it again to activate the red-blue flashing light. Finally, press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it off. That's everything you need to know about the Warsun LED Keychain Light. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips.